Next one, I will introduce you the 3+N system solution. We will first explain what is the 3+N system, and we will discuss 3+N system power solution from these different perspectives. Simple definition of the 3+N system is for power solution which are using our rack power, modular power, or system power together with our intelligent controller like CMU2 or W2 controller. But a broader definition, of course, is any kind of complex power system which need a monitoring function or advanced control function with multiple power supply together. Here it shows a brief overview about different perspectives of the power solution, including, for example, the power management part, building automation, and renewable energy. There are different application field, and many of them we have already a demo kit to show how the function mechanism works, and there are more demo kit to come. So let's first look at the power management part. And power management example is, for example, the typical example is the rack power with the master controller like CMU2 and building into a rack to form a complete system power. Meanwhile, has the rack power that can provide a scalable design up to 128 kilowatt. An overview of the system rack power are shown on this page. Their accessory monitor model are also shown on the right side. Note that for the latest controller CMU2C, we have already tested with different new model, including SHP, NCP, and PHP, etc. Those models are not, those models in combination with CMU2 are not announced yet on the CMU2 page. But if you have any project that has a requirement on this model with CMU2, please let us know so we can provide you the suggestions. Let's see some of the example of the system power. And this one is the example of the Synchrotron Radiation Research Center in Taiwan. They are using the DRP 3200 power supply to power on the RF amplifier. With single system power, it needs 64 DHP1UT, and together it forms 96 kilowatt per system power. And in this site, they need actually 8 of them. Each single module are connected to one CMU2C. So the backbone system can monitor it. If there's any problem, they can do the debug quickly. They can also set the voltage according to the environment requirement. To explain how the CMU2 and the DRP works, our TS team has created the demo kit for CMU2C. This box are including one CMU2 and one DRP 3200 inside. With this demo kit, it can show you all the function of the CMU2 and how it can work with the power, so you can have a better feeling and understanding about the power management part. And let's see another example of the access system. In this case, a customer are using the RSP 1700 to power on the access control system, all at the same time, also do the charging to the battery. They are using the analog signal to do the monitoring part. Another example of charging is, for example, in this case, is the forklift, the charging device. They are using a very compact DPU 3248, 3 units in one box. The output are changed to the 52 volt, and the one together it provides 160 amp. The alarm signal are taken out to the panel, so on the device you can see clearly all the functional status inside. Another example of the warehouse robotic is this is also in the United States. They are using 3 SHP 10K55 version in one charging station. In this case, to provide the system power solution, our colleagues provide the power solution suggestion, and also together with customer, we design the cabinet for this charging station as an end product. Lastly, the building automation part. Meanwhile has a DLC controller, which Mac has already explained in the previous slide, so I will skip this part. It can be used in many situations for the commercial area, residential area. Also, the high voltage can be used with our HVDC and DLC. This is also kind of the system power solution. To explain the function, we also have the demo kit of the DLC02 and the high voltage DC bus demo kit, UHP and HDD demo kit. The last one is the renewable energy solutions. The most important product is the BIC 2200 bidirectional power supply. So this is the bidirectional power supply. First bidirectional power supply we announced to the market, and it can convert from AC to DC and also DC to AC. The feature of BIC 2200 is the very fast switching time. So if you want to switch from AC to DC and DC to AC again, it can react within 1 millisecond. And why this is important? If you see from the right side, if the switching time are not so fast, then you might have a high voltage spike in the system, which is sometimes dangerous and not reliable. BIC in the system are as a bridge to the AC and DC. It can convert the AC to DC when the energy are not enough on DC side. And if they are renewable energy providing more power than necessary, then this electricity can feed back to the AC grid. A typical application are with the battery production or testing or energy storage management part. One of the example in the energy storage system is, for example, this customer use BIC into their system to do the battery balancing control. So when there's an imbalance cell capacity, the BIC will taking out the high capacity cell to charge the low capacity cell. So the battery packages are in the well healthy status. That's it, configurable power solution. For a system of different voltage requirements, such as the airport kiosk, it needs a 24 volt for the computer, 12 volt for the touch screen, and another 24 volt for the motor. And this is very convenient to use our NMP series for different flexible configurations. You might find it's difficult to find the right model name of the module power. And with this, we have the NMP Selection Tool on the website. If you just key in your electrical requirement, like which voltage you need and what current you need for that voltage, the tool will automatically provide you the right model name for you to order. A summary is that Meanwhile, it has a lot of standard power supply, and we have a professional technical service team globally. If you have any requirement for the complex power system, please send us the power inquiry form, and we will together with you to have some discussion on the technical proposal. If you need more information or new product introduction demo video, please go to our virtual expo website. There are a lot of resources for you to understand more about the 3+N CSAN solution. Thank you.